Ever wondered why XRP, Ripple's digital currency, has been causing such a stir in the world of cryptocurrency? Well, it's time to dive into the intriguing universe of XRP, a universe that's not just about digital money, but a revolutionary technology aiming to reshape the way we transfer value across the globe. Now, what exactly is XRP? In the simplest terms, it's a digital asset and a technology that acts as both a cryptocurrency and a technology protocol. Created by Ripple Labs in 2012, XRP is designed to enable faster, low-cost international transactions. Let's break it down a bit further. Imagine you're in the United States and you want to send money to a friend in Japan. Traditionally, this process can take days and is often fraught with high fees and exchange rates. But with XRP, you can send that money in just a matter of seconds, and for a fraction of the cost. It's like sending an email, instant and easy. But XRP isn't just about sending money, it's more than that. It's a technology, a protocol called the XRP ledger. This is a decentralized, open-source blockchain technology that can settle transactions in 3 to 5 seconds. It's faster than Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many other cryptocurrencies out there. And what about Ripple, you ask? Well, Ripple is the company that created XRP. They've developed a network called RippleNet, which uses XRP to provide one frictionless experience for sending and receiving money globally. Now, on to the question that's probably on your mind. Is XRP a good investment? Well, like any investment, it comes with risks. But it's worth noting that XRP is one of the top 5 cryptocurrencies by market cap. It's used by a growing number of financial institutions worldwide and is backed by a solid technology. Its speed and low-cost transactions set it apart from many other cryptocurrencies. But as with any investment, it's crucial to do thorough research and make informed decisions when considering XRP. While its growing acceptance by financial institutions worldwide is definitely a positive sign, the crypto market is volatile and unpredictable. Subscribe for more crypto insights.